Hello, everyone. Welcome to our first mentorship session, starting your journey in biology. Let's dive in. I hope you all have been enjoying this session, right from cells to muscles to skeletal systems to immune system, and more are coming. In today's mentorship session, we wouldn't be focusing on anything that's biology specific. We'll be looking at building or let's say starting your journey when it comes to biology. So biology is very essential for a successful medical career. Most areas of medicine are areas that need biology. Even med students take up some sub areas of biology and claim it as individual subjects. For example, anatomy is studied by med students, but we can call that a field under biology. So it provides this solid foundation for diagnosing, treating, and improving human health. Because biology provides the foundation for understanding the human body, disease mechanism, and treatment options. It allows us to be um, directed in our different fields of medicine and also allows medical professionals to make informed decisions and provide effective care. Let's move on. So, we know why we should study biology, but how do we build a strong foundation in biology? Number one, take biology classes. Enroll in introductory biology courses. I know that in our schools, maybe we offer biology as science students. It's something that's normal, but we can all agree that it's not everything that is taught in school that we're going to learn in the biology. And I remember when I was 13, or was I 12? I took an online course on Allison, which I recommend to you all, where I studied the introduction to neurology and I got my first diploma, which was diploma in psychology. And this became my start in the field of biology, in the field of medicine, in the field of science and research. I got to be exposed at a younger age to this field and I find it very effective for you all. Focusing on core concepts, we should be able to understand key topics, key concepts. I know that every field, every word in the biology subject is important, but there are some things that you ought to know as a science, biology, or med student. For example, cells, the basic unit of life. You're supposed to know that one. Who discovered cells? Robert Hooke. That those kind of things. So also focus on core concepts. We have genetics. We have evolution. We have ecology, we have the human body systems. Like if they ask you, who brought up the theory of evolution, that those kind of questions are very common as biology students, and you should know them. This is what I mean by focus on the core concepts. Or when they ask you what's genetics or what's ecology or what are the body systems we have. Read biology textbooks. Biology textbooks help supplement your learning, and I know we are in different parts of the world. Most of us, we have different textbooks that we use depending on our education system, or a textbook that we got on our own, whether online or physical. And for me, one textbook that really helps me a lot, I don't know if it's outside the country, is Essential Biology. I love essential biology. Even my classmates love essential biology. When we see essential biology, we used to fight over that textbook. But I'm not saying we should restrict ourselves to one textbook. Open yourself to different textbooks, but still find that key textbook that you find as a point of reference every time. Apart from essential biology textbooks, I include Idodo biology, modern biology. I can't really remember all, but you see Idodo, you see modern, you see essential biology. I really love these textbooks, and I also like to hear the type of textbooks that are used in your school. Then we have online resources. Utilize websites like Kahan Academy. I love Kahan Academy. Even their crash courses are amazing. We have crash courses, we have biology LibreText. Just feel free to utilize these websites. They are created for students like you to develop your skills, whether you're a beginner, you're a master, whatever. These online resources are good, and more information about them will be shared in the group. Participate in science fairs and projects. Engage yourself in hands-on learning through experiments and projects. Well, maybe you don't have the opportunity like to attend some science fairs, maybe because the science fairs in your community are not like the science fairs in your community are not really let's say free or are not accessible, or they are not science fairs, you can carry out individual projects, just like how I and my team, we started the Bio in Med Bootcamp to help students like you. So the skills needed in this area, well, every discipline, whether it's the field of mathematics, whether it's the field of engineering, whether it's the field of history, social studies, there are certain skills that are needed, and the skills needed in biology are very simple. I'll be talking about the scientific method in our next mentorship, and well, we'll see why these skills are actually needed when we look at the scientific method. So as biologists, as bio students, as bio in med bootcamp scholars, as future med students, we should be able to have skills like problem solving, observation, and attention to detail, because accurately observing and recording biological phenomena is very important. Then we have analytical and interpretive skills, interpret data, graphs, scientific literature. We have communication skills. We as biologists should be able to be communicating through writing, presentations, discussions like what I'm doing now. And well, analyze data, evaluate evidence, and form conclusions. So this might seem a lot and you're wondering how to develop these skills, but don't worry, we still have about 6 weeks more that we're going to use in addressing these skills and how you can develop them. I'll be dropping a poll on the group so you guys can check it out. Exploring opportunities in biology. Exploring opportunities in biology can lead to a wide range of exciting and rewarding careers. As biology enthusiasts, you can pursue careers whether it's in medicine, research, conservation, and others. We can be doctors, we can be scientists, we can be researchers, we can be conservationists, we can develop new treatments, we can support green technology, we can grace the bad technology of pharmaceutical industries. We can be teachers, we can be professors, we can be sci-fi writers, we can help in policy making. We could work at organizations like WHO, the United Nations, the EU, African Union, lots of them. We as biologists are very important, and I just want you to know that by exploring these opportunities, you can turn your interest in biology into a fulfilling and impactful career. So getting started, if you know that you haven't gone far in biology or you just started, remember that your journey starts from the Biomed Bootcamp. So remember to take everything that's being taught in the Biomed Bootcamp, the activities, assignments, very serious, as it will help you. Also remember to explore and carry out research. And what next? More information such as research opportunities, our skills, feedbacks, they'll all be shared on the group. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them. I'll be happy to answer them. And then we have the discussions in Q&A. Thank you so much for attending today's session. And I want to just say that learning should be a habit and not something that you just do for fun, because when you constantly have this habit of learning, have this habit of curiosity, you open yourself to new doors and new opportunities. Thank you so much and have a wonderful time in the Biomed Bootcamp.